In a world buzzing with distractions, focus is a superpower. Our modern lives are filled with constant notifications, endless to-do lists, and a barrage of information that can easily overwhelm us. Yet amidst this chaos, the ability to concentrate on a single task has become more valuable than ever. Ancient cultures knew this secret well. They understood that a focused mind was key to achieving great things, whether it was building monumental structures, creating art, or advancing knowledge. They developed practices to sharpen the mind and enhance concentration. From the meditative techniques of the East to the philosophical disciplines of the West, these ancient practices were designed to cultivate a deep sense of awareness and presence. These time-tested techniques are still relevant today. In our fast-paced world, they offer a sanctuary of calm and clarity. Practices like meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi are not just relics of the past, but powerful tools for the present. By tapping into this ancient wisdom, we can unlock our potential for deep, meaningful work. Imagine being able to read a book without distraction, journal your thoughts with clarity, or take a walk in nature and truly connect with your surroundings. Let's explore these powerful practices and learn how to incorporate them into our modern lives. Whether it's through a group yoga class, a solitary meditation by a lake, or a mindfulness session in a garden, these practices can transform our daily routines. We can overcome the challenges of our digital age by embracing the wisdom of the past. Even in a park with a smartphone or a laptop nearby, we can find moments of peace and focus by integrating these ancient techniques into our lives. Focus is a skill that can be cultivated, and these ancient techniques offer a roadmap to success. Whether it's through Tai Chi in a city park or a mindful activity in a natural setting, we can train our minds to be more present and attentive. Join me as we unlock the secrets to enhanced focus and productivity. Together, we'll delve into the practices that have stood the test of time and discover how they can help us navigate the complexities of our modern world with greater ease and effectiveness. For centuries, Eastern traditions have used mindfulness to enhance focus. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This practice originated in ancient India, rooted in Buddhist teachings. Mindfulness helps calm the mind, reducing distractions. How can we apply mindfulness today? We can start with simple breathing exercises. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Even a few minutes can make a difference. Another powerful technique is mindful walking. Pay attention to each step, feeling the ground beneath your feet. A flow state is a term coined by psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. It describes a state of deep immersion in an activity where time seems to fly by and you are fully engaged and energized. This state is often associated with peak performance and creativity. When you're in flow, your mind and body work in perfect harmony. You lose track of time and distractions fade away. It's a state where you feel completely absorbed in what you're doing. Whether it's painting, hiking, or any other activity that requires your full attention. Time seems to fly by. You might start jogging on a forest trail or cycling on a mountain path, and before you know it, hours have passed. This is because your brain is fully focused on the task at hand, allowing you to perform at your best. You are fully engaged and energized. Activities like pottery or gardening can also induce this state. When you're shaping clay on a wheel or tending to your plants, you become one with the activity, feeling a sense of accomplishment and joy. Ancient cultures understood the power of flow. They designed rituals and practices to access this state of heightened focus. Whether through traditional dance, meditation, or other cultural practices, they knew the importance of being fully present in the moment. They designed rituals and practices to access this state of heightened focus. Meditation, for example, is a practice that has been used for centuries to help individuals achieve a state of flow. By quieting the mind and focusing on the present, you can tap into this powerful state. To achieve flow, choose activities that align with your skills and passions. Whether it's playing an instrument, painting, or any other creative endeavor, finding something you love and are good at can help you enter the flow state more easily. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This can make it easier to stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. For example, if you're setting up a tent or organizing hiking gear, take it one step at a time to maintain your focus. Eliminate distractions and create a dedicated workspace. Whether you're setting up a hammock in a quiet forest or arranging a picnic by a lake, having a space where you can focus without interruptions is crucial for achieving flow. The key is to find the right balance between challenge and skill. Activities like rock climbing or surfing require a high level of skill and concentration, which can help you enter the flow state. When the challenge matches your skill level, you're more likely to experience flow. When you're fully engaged, focus becomes effortless. Whether you're practicing yoga on a beach or kayaking down a river, being in the flow state allows you to perform at your best and enjoy the experience to the fullest. The Pomodoro technique is a popular time management method. It involves working in focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, separated by short breaks. This method helps individuals maintain high levels of productivity while avoiding burnout. By breaking down tasks into manageable chunks, it becomes easier to stay on track and complete projects efficiently. This technique might seem modern, but it has ancient roots. The idea of segmenting time to enhance productivity is not new. In fact, ancient civilizations had their own methods of time management that laid the groundwork for techniques like the Pomodoro. The concept of dividing time into blocks can be traced back to ancient civilizations. These early societies understood the importance of structuring their day to maximize efficiency and productivity. They developed various tools and methods to keep track of time and organize their activities. They used sundials and water clocks to structure their day. Sundials, for instance, allowed them to measure time based on the position of the sun, while water clocks provided a more consistent and reliable way to track the passage of time even when the sun wasn't visible. Implementing the Pomodoro technique is simple. All you need is a timer and a clear understanding of the task at hand. By setting a timer for 25 minutes, you create a sense of urgency that helps you stay focused and avoid distractions. Choose a task, set a timer for 25 minutes, and work without distractions. During this time, it's important to fully commit to the task and avoid any interruptions. This focused work period is known as a Pomodoro. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. This short break allows you to rest and recharge before starting the next Pomodoro. It's a crucial part of the technique as it helps prevent mental fatigue and keeps you energized throughout the day. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, it's important to take a longer break, typically around 15 to 30 minutes. This extended break gives you a chance to relax and recover, ensuring that you can maintain high levels of productivity for the rest of the day. This structured approach enhances focus and prevents burnout. By following the Pomodoro technique, you can improve your time management skills, increase your productivity, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. It's a simple yet effective way to make the most of your time and achieve your goals. Section 5. Stoic Strategies for Modern Life. Stoicism, a philosophy originating in ancient Greece, offers valuable insights for staying focused. Stoics believed in focusing on what they could control and accepting what they couldn't. This mindset is incredibly relevant in our fast-paced world. One key Stoic practice is negative visualization. Imagine potential obstacles and setbacks. This mental exercise prepares you to handle challenges with grace. Another important principle is gratitude. Take time to appreciate the good things in your life. This positive mindset fosters resilience and focus. Section 6. Designing your workspace for focus. Our environment significantly impacts our ability to focus. Ancient cultures understood this connection and created spaces that promoted concentration. Consider monasteries, temples, and libraries, places designed for quiet reflection and deep work. Create a designated workspace free from distractions. Keep it tidy and organized. Introduce elements of nature, such as plants or natural light. Minimize visual clutter and personalize your space to inspire focus. Section 7. Natures boost the power of the outdoors. Spending time in nature has numerous benefits, including improved focus. Ancient cultures recognized the restorative power of the natural world. They incorporated nature into their daily lives. Take short walks in nature during breaks. Engage your senses. Listen to the birdsong, feel the breeze, and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Even a few minutes can refresh your mind and enhance your focus. Section 8. Fueling focus, ancient dietary wisdom. What we eat directly impacts our cognitive function, including focus. Ancient cultures developed dietary practices that supported brain health. They emphasized whole foods, mindful eating, and balanced nutrition. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Choose brain-boosting foods like blueberries, fatty fish, and leafy greens. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine. Remember, a nourished brain is a focused brain. Section 9. The Focused Life, Your Path to Success. Focus is not just about productivity, it's about living a more fulfilling life. By incorporating these ancient techniques, we can achieve greater clarity, purpose, and peace of mind. The journey to a focused life is ongoing. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. Remember, you have the power to shape your focus and achieve your goals. Embrace these ancient secrets and unlock your full potential. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.